Hello friends, welcome in our daily task, that is video generation and given topic. So today's topic is uh, exception object life cycle in Java. So what is meant by exception? Exception is nothing but unwanted, unexpected, abnormal situation occur during execution of program. So, what is mean by abnormal situation? The situation like if suppose we write a particular program up to the last line and unexpectedly power get off and PC gets shut down. So, to handle the particular situation, we have to add us some another device to uh, uh, we can add the particular device to handle the particular situation of power offing. So we can provide the power battery to power backup battery to the if power get automatically off and due to the power battery backup we can save the program within 2 minutes. So this is one of the way to handle the abnormal situation. So talking about handling the situation. So handling the situation exception means um if suppose our best motto or the exception handling has a most important motto is to execute the program until the last line. It is one of the most important. So let's move towards our topic, that is object life cycle in exception. Um talking about each and every time during the execution of program, each means during the execution of particular method, particular constructor, there is a JVM creates one thread, and this thread pass to the method to execute the particular method and come back to give the result. And so talking about if suppose we return the program like a simple program, that is a system out of println inside that 10 divided by 0. uh, when thread come to the execute the main method, and, during the execution this thread start execution line by line. So he observes the arithmetic exception during the execution of main method. So this thread go back to the JVM and tells that there is an exception. Then JVM checks the if there is any exception handling block is provided or not. If suppose block is provided, then JVM thread JVM send the thread to execute the particular block for the handling the exception, and the flow of program get continues. If suppose there is no any block is provided to the to handle the particular situation or a particular exception, then JVM stop the execution of program and shows the particular error exception is occurred on the screen. So talking about handling the exception occurred. So let's this exception can be handled by using different types of block like try block, catch block, then throw block, throws block, and finally block. These are the some ways to handle the exception observed in exception handling. So let's talk one by one. Inside that try block is there. Try block is the most basically used when try block included most risky code in which chances of exception can be occurred. So inside try block thread occurs the exception, then um, automatically uh, throw thread get throws to the is the catch block, and inside catch block there is a exception and object creation is there. The exception can match, then object handle the particular situation or handle the particular exception occurred. If the exception not matches, then JVM checks is there any other exception handling block is provided or not, means any catch block is provided or not. If the catch block, another catch block is provided below the previous catch block, then he checks the particular exception occurred is matches with the given exception or not. If the matches, then uh, this object is live and alive, and he executes the particular program until the last line. If the exception is exception observed like arithmetic exception, means 10 divided by 0 is arithmetic exception occurred. So the exception written inside catch block is index out of one exception. Then JVM this exception doesn't match with the catch block, so JVM stop the execution and end the object life cycle at that particular situation. So what is this is what about exception object life cycle in Java. Thank you for watching.